Assalamu alaikum. Learn 4 language in one video. In English, what do you do? Its answer is I am a student. Arabic, maza ta'ammul. Its answer is ana talibun. Maza means what, ta'ammul you do. Ta'ammul means occupation. Its answer is ana talibun. Ana means I, talibun means student. In Pashto, ta sikar kavi. Its answer is zazada kaunkiam. Ta means you, se means what, kar means work, kavi doing. Its answer is zazada kaunkiam. Zazada means I am, kaunkiam student. In Urdu आप क्या करते हैं? Its answer is मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. आप means you, क्या means what, करते doing हैं और. Its answer is मैं तालिब इल्म हूँ. मैं means I, तालिब इल्म means student, हूँ means am. I am a student.